Hey, hi Sanaya.
Hello.
So, what is this machine?
So this is the Charles River NextGen PDS, which is our latest addition at Preval Labs Private Limited.
Okay, so we have got this machine. We have bought this new machine, right?
Yes.
Oh, great. So, why do we use it?
So we use it for the bacterial endotoxin test. So here what we're using, the method is kinetic method
Okay.
by chromogenic
Okay.
detection.
Got it. So, what is the benefit of using this machine over the previous method that we were using, like gel clot?
Okay, so first of all, gel clot, it's more time consuming. It takes around 1 hour
Okay.
for intubating, whereas this takes around only 15 minutes for intubation. And also here, it gives you the exact endotoxin limit, whereas gel clot, it will give you a particular, like less than the particular limit that you have decided.
Okay. So, you're saying that this is a quantitative method. We'll get the
Yes,
exact
this is
number
a-
of endotoxin.
Yes.
Great. So, what about the regulatory guidelines and all? Is it accepted by all the regulatory bodies?
Yes, it's accepted by all. And also it has the audit trail, and it is 21 CFR Part 11 compliant.
Okay.
So we have this generation of reports where you can print it out. On that you will get the COA of the cartridge, the analyst name, the license sensitivity that you're using, the endotoxin limit. All these details will be there.
Okay.
And it will be saved on the system, and it will be tamper-proof.
Great, great. So the data is safe and secure.
Yes.
Nobody can do anything with the data, right?
Yes.
That's great. So can you tell us like how does it work?
Yes. So first of all, you can see there are a few items here. They have various applications. Before that, to insert here, we have a cartridge going in. This is an unopened one.
Okay.
So you will select your cartridge. This is an open version of it. It has wells,
Okay.
which we will insert into the system. So when you're inserting it into the system, there will be a click sound, as you heard.
Got it.
And then later onwards, you'll have to go to the application wherein it saves all the data, COA, the analyst name, endotoxin limit. All these details will be acquired on this system. You will pipette your sample into the wells, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Okay.
and then you close it, restart.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you'll get the results in 15 minutes.
Okay. So in 15 minutes we are getting all the analysis done, right? Compared to the 1.5 hours or 1 hour you're telling, right? So that's great. Thank you.